Hi all, hope all are doing well. Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. R. Madan Mohan, working as Associate Professor of Computer Science and Engineering, Bharat Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad, India. Now, herewith, we are starting a new course on Python programming for every beginners. So this syllabus is designed by meeting the regulations of the universities JNTH, JNTU Anantapuram, JNTU Kakinada, Usmania University, Anna University. So recently from 2020-21 onwards, all these universities started emerging courses in computer science and engineering with specializations of artificial intelligence and machine learning, data science, AI and data science, cybersecurity, Internet of Things, networks, software engineering, computer science and business systems. Then Usmani University also started a Bachelor of Science in Data Science. Then Anna University from 2017-18 onwards for Computer Science and Engineering Semester 1 introduced the course Python programming. So by keeping the importance of Python programming in the emerging areas of computer science and engineering with various specializations, this course is creating. So here in this, first we will discuss, before starting our actual Python programming for every beginners. First, what is the syllabus outline, followed by we will see some ranking of top programming languages in the year 2021 as of now. So later we'll begin our Python course module wise in upcoming lectures. To follow our lecture regularly, all of you subscribe my YouTube channel, then you may not miss the alerts for the new lectures of Python programming for every beginners. Let us move to outline or modules of the course Python programming for every beginners. So here the modules are given below. First we will discuss with introduction to Python in module 1, module 2 installing Python and writing first Python programming, module 3 data types in Python, module 4 operators in Python, module 5 input and output, module 6 control statements, module 7 strings and characters, module 8 functions, module 9 lists and tuples, then module 10 dictionaries, followed by module 11 object oriented programming concepts, simply called as OOPS concepts, module 12 functional programming, module 13 files, module 14 exceptions, module 15 modules and packages, module 16 regular expressions, module 17 threads, module 18 GUI, that is graphical user interface programming, module 19 web programming, module 20 database programming, followed by database connectivity. Finally, in one annex, we will see data science and machine learning packages in Python. So this is the outline of our full course on Python programming for every beginners. By keeping all the above universities syllabus, so these modules are created. So before starting our actual Python, so here, what is the ranking of Python programming language comparing to other programming languages? So here 2020-21 ranking of programming languages is shown here by one of the ranking software quality company, TIOBE Index. So this ranking based on the month October 2021. So here the following screen shows various programming languages and their rank in the month October 2021 comparing to October 2020. So now here you can see October 2021, that first language is Python. So what we are going to learn from next lecture onwards. So then last year, same month, October 2020, the ranking of Python is 3. Then the second language is C programming language. Last time, this rank is 1. Then the third top language is Java. Last time its rank is 2. Then fourth top language is C++. Last time same rank. Then fifth top language is C# or C#. Last time also its rank is same. Then sixth language is Visual Basic. Last time also same rank. Seventh is JavaScript. Last time also same. Here you can observe 4, 5, 6, 7. There is no change. So C++, C#, Visual Basic, JavaScript. These are all standard top programming languages. Then the ranking of Python, C, Java are changing. So now Python dominates both C and Java, the ranking comparing to last year, the same month. So like other top languages like 8 is SQL, 9 is PHP, 10 is assembly programming language, 11 is classic Visual Basic, 12 is Go, 13 is MATLAB, 14 is R programming language, 15th is Groovy, etc. So these are all the top programming languages. Now you can see as per the ranking, now Python stood 1. Python first rank. That means Python language leading the tech world from 2021 to even by end of 2022 also. This should be top 1 only. If you can go in detail about the Python ranking since year 2001, its highest position is number 1 in October 2021. Just now, October month. Then the lowest position since 2001, 13th position in February 2003. Then the popularity of Python programming language in the years 2007, 2010, 2018, 2020. If you can see the following graph, the rating of Python programming language from the year 2001 onwards. Here you can see the graph, the increasing in 2004. So then again 2008, 2010, then 2012. Next again here you can see the popularity from 2018 onwards. It is increasing at peak level till 2021. Now you can see 2021. Now it stood in the first position. So this is the popularity of Python programming language. Why? Because whatever the other programming languages supporting various features, all features are supported by a single Python programming language. So here in generally Python is equivalent to 1000+ programming languages. By seeing this, you can see the popularity of the Python programming language, how it is powerful. Okay, now here 5 programming languages are listed which rules the technology world by end of 2022. The 5 languages, whatever the languages listing here, these are all leading the technology world by 2022. The 5 programming languages, which are computer languages that are used to communicate with computers by programmers, means developers. So here, programming, which consisting of set or series of instructions written in any language like C, C++, Java, Python, which accomplish a given goal or target or a problem. Programming languages are mostly used to create desktop applications, websites, and mobile applications. So these are all the main uses of programming languages. So Python also supports all this. So here the most popular languages in 2022 are predicted as given below. Number 1 is Python. Even the ranking also, number 1 is Python. Second one is JavaScript. Third one is Java. Fourth one is C++. Fifth one is TypeScript. Now let us see these 5 languages briefly. So Python, anyway, we are starting from next lecture onwards. We are just see introduction about its. So Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s in Netherlands. That means exactly 1989. So this was created by Guido van Rossum. So Python begins as a competitor to Java in the industry, but it quickly grew in popularity. Python is currently quite popular among both researchers and developers. This is the popularity of Python. The official homepage of Python programming language is https://www.python.org. So this is the official website of Python programming language. Then second programming language is called as JavaScript. So at this moment, JavaScript is pretty much the industry standard. JavaScript rises to prominence quickly after its inception in 1994 as a scripting language for Netscape Navigator, which is one of the finest browsers at that time. Modern JavaScript was not invented until 2008 when Google developed the V8 engine for Google Chrome. JavaScript, which was created by Netscape as a competitor to Java, now has its own suitable position in the programming world. So even JavaScript dominates Java, which is in top 2 programming language. Because of its widespread, JavaScript is often referred to as the internet language. The most popular programming language among developers is JavaScript, which has a support rate of 67.7%. See the popularity. The support rate is 67.7%. JavaScript official website is www.javascript.com. Then coming to the third top language, which is Java. Java was the first language to have a large global influence, having been created in 1991 by James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Norton as the language Vogue. While the new programming language followed the same formats as C and C++, which included some new concepts to appeal to a wider audience. That is the advantage of Java comparing to C and C++. So Java is based on the notion of the quotation, let us see, write once, run anywhere. You can write the program only one time. You can run anywhere. What is meaning of this? Java programs may run on variety of hardware and operating systems, that is platform independent. That means on any platform, you can run the program once written, run anywhere. The official website of Java is www.java.com. Then coming to fourth top language, which is called as C++. C++ used in variety of applications, including analytics, research, and game creation. These are all the major applications of C++. So the Unreal Engine, which is a popular game creation engine, uses C++ as the scripting language for all of the functionality that can be defined while creating a game. C++ is also widely used in software development, mainly for game creation. C++ is most popular. C++ position in the middle of the object-oriented and method-oriented approaches allows it to be versatile in the types of software it may build. The fact that C++ is ranked 4th in TIOB index, just now we discussed the ranking of the top programming languages. So this ranking shows still C++ is popular. So this is the official ranking website. So where we have seen the ranking of the programming languages. Then also C++ widely utilized in the creation of system software, since it is easier to grasp than other programming languages. The official website of C++ is isocpp.org. Then coming to top 5 programming language. So which is TypeScript. Previously we discussed second as the JavaScript. So what is the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript? Let us see here. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript. That means whatever the features in JavaScript, by satisfying all, additionally it supports more. That's why it dominates JavaScript. That's why TypeScript is the superset of JavaScript and has nearly identical applications as in JavaScript. TypeScript can be utilized in a variety of applications like online development, mobile application development, and desktop application development. These are all the major applications of TypeScript. According to Stack Overflow's list of most popular languages, TypeScript is the second most popular language. So with 67.1% of developers favoring it. See the popularity of TypeScript, which is the second most popular language. The official website of TypeScript is www.typescriptlang.org. So these are the top 5 programming languages. So like Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, then TypeScript. So these 5 languages are predicting which leads the technology world in 2022. The resources are references. Here you can refer the article taken from techgeek.com. Then the index ranking can be taken from TIOB.com. Then for Python tutorial, this is the official website. Then this is the official website for Python, JavaScript official website, Java official website, C++ official website, then TypeScript official website. Previously also we showed that all at one place are listed here. Next lecture onwards, we will start our full course on Python programming for every beginners. So all of you subscribe to get alerts for the upcoming lectures. So this is the channel subscription link. Then this is the LinkedIn link also. You can follow me any of these. So already some of my courses are included in Udemy International platform. The first course is Introduction to R Programming. This is the link. Then Basics of R Software for Data Science. This is the link. Then another very important course for Computer Science and Information Technology, even very important for GATE examination, Formal Language and Automata Theory. So 3 full courses are available in Udemy International platform. Okay, Next class onwards, we will start our Python full course. So all of you follow my lectures. These are all my contact details. You can contact me for any queries at any time. So all of you, all the best and a very happy learning.